everybody, this is Ashley87 here. Me and my friend Eric actually went to a car show yesterday. We caught a lot of good footage. The car show was really, really big. It's like the biggest one I've ever been to. Saw a bunch of very beautiful cars, a lot of dedicated work, and a lot of beautiful paint jobs. I'm very proud of a lot of these car owners. They put a lot of effort in their vehicles. And I was actually not the only Civic there. I was actually proud that I had the better of the two. I have put a lot of work into my car, but not enough. Now, his did sound a lot louder than mine, but whenever I revved it up, and I realized mine does not have a whine to it, so I was actually really proud to see that. I was very proud to see that the decal work that I've done and a lot of the detail I've done under the hood, just all together, it's made a very big difference in my life. I've done a ton of work to this little car, and I think I've done an amazing job. We did notice a very nice truck there that was just absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if we caught it on video, but it was a lifted Silverado. Absolutely beautiful, sitting on 14 wides. It looked a lot like Dirty Mac's Jack's truck. If you guys ever see his truck, ever get a chance to, check out his channel. His truck is just beautiful. We saw a Z06 that was a maroon version of, it looked like a maroon version of Street Speed 717's car. Very proud to see that. Very excited. But I didn't get that one. I did not get on film. I think the camera died by then. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and show you the footage. I hope you like it.
My God.
Judy's gonna have a thing.
It says 396 in there. This guy's not here when we walk up, right? We're gonna have one of these at one of the shows here soon.
you so much for checking out the footage. We're very glad to see that you loved all the footage that we did of this car show. We hope that the next car show we get a lot more footage that you will absolutely enjoy. Don't forget to slap a like on the video. It's a little thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, which is the little red button at the bottom of the screen. And don't forget, share this video. Let all your friends know about it. We like thumbs ups and we like subscribes. So yeah, don't forget, share the channel. And don't forget, we're also professionally trained in pure awesomeness. And we want you guys to have a great day.